Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein and I'm here to bring you all today some of the updates in the financial markets. Today is 16th of September and we are heading towards the middle of the week, and it's time for us to do the analysis on the progress that is actually taking a toll on the financial markets. First of all, on Wednesday tonight, we have got a Federal Reserve monetary policy announcement, which is the most important risk event for this week, right? So investors are wondering how much of impact it will be having on a US dollar, right? So as we saw on Monday, the greenback traded lower against all of the major currencies on the expectation of dovishness. But yesterday the price action is actually mixed. The dollar has extended its slice against the Japanese yen, as well as it has strengthened against the euro, right? Other currencies like sterling, the Canadian dollar, Aussie dollar, and also New Zealand dollar ended up the day versus the greenback, but also descended from earlier highs, which means that during the New York session, the expectation of USD JPY, the dollar was caught a bit, right? So if you see over here, let me just show you on here. We see that there is a very much likelihood the dollar is going to gain steam today. That means it will be possibly bouncing up, because you see the current pattern on an intraday basis. When I see that from here, it has broken that descending triangle, which looks like it is developing a buying structure for this to push up. So we will see that dollar will be picking up steam later at the end of this day, towards after the American session, right? So we see that there is more room to the upside on this. So on the other hand, as we saw, stocks also, you see they were also gaining a bit of stream getting a bit actually. Why investors are actually buying dollar and also stocks rising for the third day in a row? It's also not because of risk aversion, right? So, but one of the main reason is the sharp rise in the Empire State Manufacturing Index. This is why economists were looking for the index to rise about 6.9 from 3.9, but actually it went up to 17. So that is also another thing. The dollar basically is becoming looks like that it's going to be stronger. So when the Federal Reserve meets tonight, all right, there's no changes in the monetary policy expected. The main focus will be its economic projections and also dot plot forecast, which we know that the language in the FOMC statement will be adjusted to the account for the central bank's new inflation strategy. So in August, Jerome Powell announced a new framework that would allow inflation to overshoot to central bank's targets in order to attain long-term price sustainability, right? So this new approach flows nearly a decade of inflation falling short of the 2% target. So its economic projections and dot plot could reflect these changes with lowered expectation for price growth and delayed tightening. So all in all, you see, we have got a lot of things to be looking into. Let me just moving on to the price action analysis, whereby we can actually scan up the market and check what's going on let's just say, first of all, I just like to give you some quick review on Euro USD. Let's just see here from here, we see that euro is also is planning to come down, which is giving us all signals for this to go down. Anyways, we will be posting more updates during our London session, right? So we see that this will be developing to take the dollar on the positive note, right? On the other hand, Dow Jones Industrial Average is also expected to shoot up, right? Tech stock has also taken position according to our forecast that we have forecast earlier this week. Euro JPY has bottomed at this particular zone, developing a head and shoulder, and all in all, yeah, so it's all set as we forecasted earlier of the week. So and also S&P 500 is also on its way. So all in all, everything looks in order and in place as according to the forecast. Right? So guys, we will be having FOMC meeting minutes tonight, and then they will be more I would say detailed information from the Jerome Powell. Do follow the updates, and from there we will also be scanning up the market and also giving you our feedbacks the following day. How do we see that the Federal Reserve would like to take measures into this interest rate policy measures, right? So for now, I'll be signing off. Thank you very much, and to all our Malaysians, including myself, including everybody, happy Malaysia Day to everyone. We pray and we wish long for Malaysia to grow further, and for the people of Malaysia to have a great life together, right? So all in all, we bless Malaysia, we love Malaysia, and all in all, for now, I would like to take a time off to sign off, right? We will be back again for more updates. Till then, stay tuned, take care, and have a happy trading day, and have a happy holiday. Thank you, and bye-bye.